Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. When a man knows the solitude of silence and finds the joy of quietness, he becomes free from fear and finds the joy of the dharma. Have the maturity to know that sometimes silence is more powerful than having the last word. A fool is known by his speech and a wise man by silence. Successful people always add two things on their lips: silence and smile. 5 steps to happiness: smile more, worry less, be present, keep more, expect less. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Be patient, everything comes to you in the right moment. There is no error greater than hatred, and nothing mightier than patience, so I strive in every way to learn patience. Believe nothing no matter where you read it, or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. With our thoughts we make the world. 3 things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Remembering a wrong is like carrying a burden on the mind. Whatever precious jewel there is in the heavenly worlds, there is nothing comparable to one who is awakened. 3 things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. No one can save us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We must walk the path alone. Give even if you only have a little. Life has many different chapters. Don't let one bad chapter end the book. One positive thought can change your whole day, so the positive attitude can change your whole life. When it hurts, observe. Life is trying to teach you something. Speak only when you feel that your words are better than your silence. Never judge people who have little to nothing, as one day you may find yourself having nothing at all. Always respect one another, no matter what. Never look down on anyone. Some have food but they can't eat. Others can eat but they have no food. But for you, you have both. If you are grateful, use just 5 seconds of your time and say, "Thank you, God." People will notice the change in your attitude towards them, but won't notice their behavior that made you change. When I shut my mouth and walk away, it doesn't mean you have won. It's simply you are not worth my time anymore. The best things in life are free: hugs, smiles, friends, kisses, family, sleep, love, laughter, and good memories. Good friends care for each other. Close friends understand each other. But true friends stay forever, beyond words, beyond distance, beyond time. At the end of life, what really matters is not what we bought, but what we built. Not what we got, but what we shared. Not our competence, but our character. And not our success, but our significance. Live a life that matters. Live a life of love. Never trust someone who has let you down more than 2 times. Once was a warning, twice was a lesson, and anything more than that is simply taking advantage. Some men think women want money, cars, and gifts, but the right woman wants a man's time, effort, passion, honesty, loyalty, smile, and him choosing to put her as his priority. A woman can forget the man who broke her heart, but she can never forget the man who gathered the broken pieces, healed her soul, and made her smile again. Be that man in a woman's life. A woman will fight until she can't anymore, and once she walks away, you will never see her again. Dear men, close your eyes. Imagine you have a daughter. Imagine she is dating a guy just like you. Did you smile? No? Then change. A good man doesn't love a million girls. He loves one girl in million ways. Don't allow someone to treat you poorly just because you love them. People may not always tell you how they feel about you, but your actions will speak for themselves. Pay attention. Some people will only love you as much as they can use you. Their loyalty ends when the benefits stop. Distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down. People talk behind your back for 3 reasons. When they cannot reach your level, when they don't have what you have, when they try to copy your lifestyle, but they can't. Do good and good will come to you. Things money can't buy: manners, morals, respect, character, common sense, trust, patience, class, integrity, love. Definition of stupid: knowing the truth, seeing evidence of the truth, but still believing the lie. Never argue with someone who believes their own lies. You want to make a liar mad, keep asking them questions. People will act like you are hard to deal with because you aren't easy to fool. Avoid people who are close to people who dislike you. They are dangerous. Be very careful with anyone who is close to your enemy or close to anyone who hates you. Such a person is more dangerous than your enemy because they have access to you. Any man or woman pretending to love you while they are backstabbing you, God will uproot them and send them on journey of no return. When you cut off someone from your life, they will never tell people the full story. They will only tell them the part that makes you look bad and them innocent. Always be careful of what you hear about a woman. Rumors either come from a man who cannot have her or a woman who cannot compete with her. Rumors are carried by haters, spread by fools, and accepted by idiots. Gossips are worse than thieves because they steal another person's dignity, honor, reputation, and credibility, which are impossible to restore. So remember this: when your feet slips, you can always recover your balance. But when your tongue slips, you cannot recover your words. Let them judge you, let them misunderstand you, let them gossip about you. Their opinions aren't your problems. You stay kind, committed to love, and free in your authenticity. No matter what they do or say, don't you dare doubt your worth or the beauty of your truth. Just keep shining like you do. Blue butterflies will often turn up when it's time to make a significant life change. It's often interpreted as a sign of understanding, spirituality, communication, wisdom, serenity, and faithfulness in love. Blue butterflies represent the need to be true to oneself in all aspects of life. This includes the freedom to express yourself, mainly through creative elements like art and music. The meaning of the orange butterfly is often interpreted as a symbol of flexibility, fast action, and spiritual connections to one's authentic self. Orange butterflies are often associated with the sun, beauty, and fire. They are a message that rewarding opportunities await you and will provide emotional stability, peace of mind, and happiness if you follow your intuition and gut instincts. Pay attention and slow down so you can listen and understand your next steps. I'm not perfect. I say stupid things sometimes. I laugh when I'm not supposed to. I have scars left by people who did me wrong. I'm a little crazy and probably funchain. Love me or not, but I make one promise that if I love you, I do it with a full heart. Just remember, when you are ignoring someone that loves you, you are teaching them to live without you. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Don't care for those who ignore you. Care for those who are ignoring others for you. I may not be there yet, but I am closer than I was yesterday. One step can make all the difference. Life is short, time is fast, no replay, no rewind, so enjoy every moment as it comes. Surround yourself with people who talk about visions and ideas, not people. Life is like a book. Some chapters are sad, some are happy, and some are exciting. But if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter has in store for you. Don't worry, God is never blind to your tears, never deaf to your prayers, and never silent to your pain. He sees, He hears, and He will deliver you. Distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down. When you mistreat someone that has nothing but love for you, watch God make you need that person that you mistreated. You have to be mindful of how you treat people. Never disrespect that person who made sure you were okay when nobody else did. The person you took for granted today may turn out to be the person you need tomorrow. Be careful how you treat people. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there is no reason to continue. It's not you. God is simply exposing some people in your life for what they really are. Pay attention. Influencing others to hate someone is an act of witchcraft. Speaking in tongues is a gift of the Spirit. Controlling your tongue is a fruit of the Spirit. Silence is more powerful than proving a point. There is nothing more powerful than a changed mind. There is nothing as powerful as a changed mind. Work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. Just be happy, it drives people crazy. Always find a reason to smile. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Understanding your past can help you to create a better future. The key to success is to start before you are ready. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Measure your success by the growth of your freedom. I sit back and observe every person in my life. I know who has my back and keeps it real. I also know who talks trash behind my back and smiles in my face. I know who I can trust and who to keep at a distance. Whether I say anything or I let you be fake, just know that I know. Single isn't a status. It's a word that describes a person who is strong enough to enjoy life without depending on the wrong people. Just remember as you sit and talk about someone that what you say tells very little of their character and a whole lot about yours. The world is what we think it is. If we can change our thoughts, we can change the world. Trouble people cause trouble. My silence doesn't mean I agree with you. It means your level of stupidity rendered me speechless. If you didn't see it with your own eyes or hear it with your own ears, don't invent it with your small mind and share it with your big mouth. If you don't know the whole story, shut up. Silence is the best reply to a fool. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।